Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and this is a door closer that I think needs adjusting. So let's cycle the closer and see what you guys think. Don't you think the sweep is a little bit too slow? And latch just very slow. See what you know what I mean? Look. Watch, literally latching now. Now I'm going to show you a closer that's perfectly adjusted, that does not slam and goes just the right speed. You know what? More time with this one. See how slow it goes? And how slow it latches? See, it latches down. Let's go in here, close this door behind me, and here's a perfectly adjusted Parker closer. Here's a perfectly adjusted door closer. It's hard to see it, but it latches well. I can't turn out the speed up the latch without slamming, so this one's gonna be slow. So anyways, that'd be it.